Welcome to the last video of 2023. The Princetown engine shed model is now fully prepared to be integrated into my layout. If you've downloaded the model from Thingiverse, please note that I've made some adjustments to the 12 windows. There was an error in the scaling, and I've also included additional files that were initially overlooked. I apologize for any inconvenience caused by this oversight. If you come across any errors, please contact me via the channel email or through Thingiverse, and I will make any changes needed. You will also find the SketchUp Make file so you can make alterations yourself, or see how I designed the model. Here you can see the changes to the windows I have uploaded to Thingiverse on the 30th of December. This marks the progression into the subsequent phase of the dock scene, gradually materializing into form. Employing 9mm boarding, I intricately 3D print the concrete segments that will comprise the flooring. With the final two sections superglued in place, it's time for a light spray of gray primer. It will then get a second coat of primer mixed with a darker gray color added to it. The sides will get a slight sanding, to improve the edge, and then we'll get a gray coat brush painted on them, once I have ensured the final fit on the layout. Here you can see a wall section I have quickly made. It has a brown primer coat and then a spray, with this paint. It will then get a matte varnish spray, and then I use a black primer thinned down with water, to use as a wash, to make it look better in my opinion. Have fun with your model railway layout, and a happy new year to everyone. And I will be back in the new year with more progress on the layout.